So I got the central locking kit from HSP accessories from eBay. So I'm going to get started and pull all this apart. So you get to this bit, you've got to clip the little cylinder bit on, and then you got to heat it up. I just use this little butane thing I got. And then you slide that shaft on, and it's got to be tight with no gap. Then up to the next step, you get the bracket and this, and it sits through there. And then those holes line up on the back. So we need to remove this bolt in the corner here, which is a torque one, which that's not long enough. It says to take that out and you don't need it at all. So we need the spacer and this new bolt, which is just a Phillips. Once that's in, it should look something like this. The screw goes into there, and the pin sits at the back of that lock mechanism. So we just have to fit the wiring. This is a black plug. Simple as that. See, it just got screwed in there with that little spacer underneath. And that's a little actuator on the back side. And it presses onto the back of the lock mechanism. See, when it's unlocked it can go past. And once the actuator comes out, you won't be able to pull the handle, so it's a pretty simple design. When you take your kick panel off, you need to get this top plug out by pushing that and tipping it. And then we need to pull out wire number 18 and 20 according to the instructions. So to get the wires out, there's these little tabs on the top, which you can then fold open so that you're able to get this yellow and grey wire out. See how it just folds down? We need 18 and 20, which is the yellow and the grey. So the 18 and 19, yellow and blue, yellow and grey go into this plug, and that black piece holds the clip together. And then once you've done that, you put these back in. The green goes to 20 and the blue goes to 18, which gives you this plug. And then once you got this plug, the plug you run up through your floor, being this one, just clips in, and then that's the wiring done. So it's the mechanism all in there fitted up, and we'll test it. See if it's locked. Unlock it. We're just going to put this back together, and it's all done. So now that I've checked everything works, we can put it all back together. I'm not too sure to leave that one out. That one and these ones. I thought that I was missing some for some reason, but turns out you need those and those. Actually, it's the middle two. Put your tub liner back on. When I pulled it apart, I did notice those two were missing, but I just assumed that they were missing for some other reason.